Magsafe, the magnetic attachment system that lets you wirelessly charge your iPhone anywhere, is sure a good product, but many believe it hasn't lived up to its potential. But with the iPhone Ultra around the corner, Apple can bring Magsafe a new refresh it sorely needs. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Magsafe is a brilliant idea by Apple, but before that, it was AirPower. AirPower introduced the idea of wireless charging that you could put any Apple device capable of wireless charging, including iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods cases in any order and orientation, and they'd all juice up to full. But its overlapping charging coils created far too much heat to be able to operate safely. Embarrassingly, Apple had to discontinue the product. Then Magsafe emerged, but it was a much less aspirational product. Yet still, it became highly popular among Apple fans. Magsafe's conservative approach compared to AirPower makes it fall short, despite that it could be so much more. But now the iPhone Ultra can make Magsafe shine more brightly. Apple's foldable phone is a whole new form factor. It's said to become the largest iPhone ever in terms of dimensions, and that means there could be a whole lot of surface area for Magsafe accessories. With more room to play with, Apple could get creative since it's no longer limited to the narrow width of a standard iPhone. Who knows? Maybe someone will be able to make a Magsafe that works when the phone's both folded and unfolded. It's this new device that could prompt a serious overhaul that Magsafe has been crying out for. These are creative solutions that should have come far earlier in Magsafe's lifetime. Now with the iPhone Ultra resetting expectations, this might be a golden opportunity for Magsafe to finally becoming better. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.